Right, here's a sad one for iPad lovers. The classic split view where you'd just drag a second app in and you'd have two apps side by side, perfect and effortless. Well, it's gone. Apple's confirmed it with iPad OS 27. The thing that made the iPad a great multitasker is officially dead. Let's talk about it. So, let's pay our respects. Split view was born with iOS 9 back in 2015. You'd drag a second app in, instant 50-50 split, the divider snapped to smart sizes, and it was made for touch. Slide over was the floating column with a whole stack of apps you could flick through. Artists swore by it. iPad OS 26 replaced the lot with Mac-style windowing. iPad OS 27's page, not a word about multitasking. Now, to be fair, you can still put two apps side by side. Hold the green button at the top of a window, pick tiling option, or drag one app onto another. In a screenshot, it looks identical, but here's the difference. Split view wasn't a windowing system. It was effortless, almost no inputs. Tiling gives you more control, but costs convenience. It's buggy. If you love Windows, 27 and 26 work fine. But for everyone else, the revolt's been quiet but real. The iPad OS subreddit banner literally reads, "We want split view back." People parked on iPad OS 18 and refusing to update. Some selling M4 iPad Pros. Illustrators saying their entire workflow's broken because Slide Over now only holds one app. And here's the trap. There's no way back. Once your iPad's on 26, Apple stops signing 18. You're stuck. So here's the plan. If you love split view and you're still on iPad OS 18, stay there. Your apps will keep working for ages and you can't come back once you update. Already on 26 or 27, learn the new gestures, hold the green button to tile drag an app onto another app and send Apple feedback. They actually walked back the worst of liquid glass on Mac after backlash, so pressure works, and honestly, iPad OS 27's battery wins are real. One Mini 6 user's drain dropped through the floor. So here's the bit that I want to talk about. We spent a decade asking the iPad to be a laptop, and Apple finally listened by deleting the one piece of multitasking that was truly made for touch. Tell me below, are you a split view loyalist or a windowing convert?